So in this video, we are going to talk about Xiaomi's upcoming Pad 7 series. From screen sizes to processing power, we've got all the juicy details right here for you. Let's jump right in. So let's start with the Pad 7 Pro. According to the ever-reliable digital chat station, this bad boy is rumored to sport a massive 12.45-inch LCD display. This display? It's ultra smooth at 144 Hz. And what's under the hood, you ask? It's rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Sure, it's not the latest and greatest from Qualcomm, but hey, it's still a massive upgrade from what we had before. That's some serious horsepower right there. And to top it off, you won't have to wait around forever to juice up this device, thanks to its lightning-fast 120-watt wired charging. Now let's talk about the leaks that have got us all buzzing with excitement. The folks over at China's 3C regulatory body dropped a bombshell by hinting at the Pad 7 Pro's blazing fast charging capabilities. Plus, a global model of the Pad 7 Pro recently made an appearance on Singapore's IMD certification platform. Looks like Xiaomi is gearing up for a global launch, and we can't wait. Furthermore, Digital Chat Station has hinted at some killer features, including dual 50MP cameras, dual-core batteries with fast charging support, a quad speaker system for immersive audio, and an enhanced multi-device ecosystem. Rumor has it that the Pad 7 Pro, possibly identified by the model number 24018 RPACC, will hit the shelves in China by the end of February. And get this, it'll run on Xiaomi's very own Android 14-based HyperOS system, promising a seamless user experience like never before. But wait, there's a plot twist. Leaks suggest that Xiaomi isn't stopping there. Brace yourselves for more tablets with OLED screens and the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors, likely part of the Pad 7 series. We're talking about the Xiaomi Pad 7 Max, and rumor has it that this epic lineup will drop alongside the Xiaomi 14 Ultra in April. Well, that's all the juicy details we have for now. But hey, if you've got any burning questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, see you soon.